A group of eager students gathers at the entrance, excitement palpable in the air. Among them is Maya, a passionate animal lover with dreams of turning her affection for pets into a flourishing career.
I can't wait to learn everything about grooming.
She exclaims, her eyes sparkling with enthusiasm as she joins her fellow students. Mr. Kapoor, the seasoned instructor with decades of grooming expertise, begins the session with an engaging lecture on pet behavior.
Understanding the unique personalities of pets is crucial in grooming,
he explains, his voice warm and encouraging. The students nod, jotting down notes and exchanging excited glances. Ravi, an experienced groomer, demonstrates the art of clipping a dog's fur with precision.
Remember, patience is key. A calm demeanor helps reassure the pets,
he advises, guiding Maya as she carefully trims a poodle's coat. Her hands are steady, her focus unwavering as she gains confidence with each snip. Anjali, a recent graduate, shares her experiences.
The network you build here is invaluable. I've found so many career opportunities through the community,
she says, inspiring Maya and her peers with her success story. Laughter and animated conversations fill the room, fostering new friendships and professional bonds. Dr. Sharma, a renowned veterinarian, highlights the demand for skilled groomers.
The pet care industry is booming and skilled groomers are essential,
he emphasizes, sparking ambition in the audience. Maya feels a renewed sense of purpose, envisioning her future filled with wagging tails and contented purrs. Maya reflects on her journey, her heart brimming with gratitude and excitement.
This is just the beginning,
she whispers to herself, ready to embrace the rewarding career that awaits her. As she walks away, she knows her days will be filled with the joy of working with pets, a dream now turned into reality.